Hey folks, we got here is a 2018 Jeep Compass. If you want to do the rear brake pads and rotors, you have to put this in maintenance mode. And guess what? In this specific car, you do not need a scanner. You just need the little information pad over here. You need your key fob, and you're going to use your emergency parking brake switch. Okay, that's to use when you want to put it back on. All right, so what we're going to do here, I'm going to use have your key fob with you. You don't have to start the car, just push to one button, everything will come on. Perfect. We're going to go into settings. Ta-da. We're going to go into brakes right there. Go into brake service. And so it says, would you like to retract the parking brakes to allow for brake system service? When you say yes, you should hear the brake caliper motors pull in. All right, I put a mic on the caliper there. Hopefully you can hear it a lot better than hearing it in the cab. So let's do it. Let's hear it. Quiet in the house. You hear it? There you go. And that's what comes up on the dash. I have to wait a little bit because it's still doing something, I guess, on the computer. That will tell you when it's good to go. Even though it's retracted, as you can hear it. I don't know what this thing is doing it, but usually does it all the time. Sometimes it come up saying that you have to do it, but it's already done. See? That happens too. Brake service unavailable. Please try again. Okay? Which doesn't make sense because it's already retracted. So let's hit OK anyway. Okay? Would you like to retract parking brakes? Say yes. Do it again. See, it's not pulling back no more because it already did. This has something to do with the computer. But it's done. Okay? It says it right there. On the speedo. I do it again just for the sake of this video. Once you hear it retract, then it's good to go. All right, and I'll show you how to put it back on. Just wait for this to end. Dun, da, da, da. All right. So I'm gonna get out of it. Get out of it. There it goes. Shut it off. See? So after you do your brakes, this is what you're going to get. Press the brake pedal and activate the parking switch to exit the service mode. All right? So turn the key on again. You're going to get this. I'm going to say OK to it. All right? I'm going to step on the brake pedal and activate the parking brake switch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it up. You can hear it. See? Perfect. So now it's activated. All right. You heard the motor go in. You see the little picture is out and the parking brake red light is on. Okay. Over here says the parking brake reset. Brake service exit is complete. Hit OK. And you're OK here. All right. So right now the parking brake is on because it's activated. So let's start the car. Excellent. It was raining here today. Watch this. I'm going to put it in drive. And it won't move. Okay. Put it back in park. Let's release it. It goes this way. I forgot. Wait. Parking brake. This way. Okay. You hear it? All right. Put it in drive. It should roll just a little bit. There you go. I don't want to run over my microphone. All right, that's it, people. Parking brake service mode. Jeep Compass made it a lot easier than the GM ones. And listen, it's easy enough to do. There's no reason to unbolt the motor, separate it, and mess up that O-ring that keeps the water and debris out of the caliper. Okay? Just do it this way. Stop cheating out. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. Ciao.